welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today I'm going to take you on a little charity shopping day journey with me. I've got a whole free day today and I thought I would pop to a couple of my favourite charity shops. I'm starting in Great Baddow if you are from the area and want to know approximately where I shop. It's under on maps as the Vineyards, Chelmsford. This Havens is really good and I've been to it a couple of times, and every time I forget where it is, but I've remembered it is Great Baddow, so that's where I'm going to start off with. I might then go over to, I think it's Hornchurch. No, it's not Hornchurch. Where is it? There's another place where I think I might go. Hadley. Anyway, I'm gonna mooch around the charity shops, see what I find. I'm not looking for anything in particular. In fact, I'm trying not to spend too much money at the moment, so it's more of just a mooch. But yeah, let's go. So one of my favourite things about these lot of charity shops is there's a car park that's free right next to them, which you don't really get very often anymore. I do need a wee, only issue. There is a cafe that I've been in before and brought a cake just so I can go for a wee, so I might end up doing that again, but let's start at Havens. Okay, still need a wee, but that's going to be a later me problem. Havens didn't have anything that I liked. I had a couple of things that I will show you guys, but nothing I wanted. Now over to Children's Society. I've only been in this one once, and I remember the clothes being really trendy, but also really small. But obviously it changes every time, so who knows. They've got some uniform out of the front at 99p, which is really good. Let's go in. These cargos are size 20. Actually, I don't know. I'm on a size 16, but I'm going to try them on because I've been looking for cargos for a while. They're $6.99, so maybe a little bit more than I'd normally pay. If they fit nice, they've got like an elasticated side, so hopefully that will help. But let's try them on. So I don't know what to think. I think they're too big. They have got like a little bit of room in the waist. It doesn't mean they fit on my legs, which very rarely happens. But I think I'm going to pass on these just because $6.99 is a lot to pay for something that I don't 100% love. Also do nothing with my bum, and that makes me sad, so I'm going to leave these, but a good find. Okay, so I left them cargos. I did like them, but I just don't want to pay £7 like I'm not in love with. I'm trying to be really good and not actually buy too much. It is starting to rain a little bit, that's fine. I'm going to head back to the car now. Still really need a wee, but I don't want to pay for a coffee just to go for a wee. So I'm going back to the car, drive to the next location in Hadley. Hopefully it's not too far of a drive. There are Morrison's there that can park in and to go for a wee in. So that's what I want to do. So let's go to Hadley. Okay, Hadley is 23 minutes away. Am I going to make it? Yes. If I see a toilet or a petrol station at my below, I might stop there on the way. But let's go to Hadley and park in there Morrison's so I can go for a wee. Another free car park. Okay, I've stumbled across an antique place and just want to have a mooch round because I can't say no to a little antiques place. It's all furniture and collectibles and stuff, but I'm going to mooch. I mean, this isn't going for a wee, but I mean, look at the cute little milk jugs. It's so pretty. Gosh, I do love an antique. Some records. Some little tables. Oh, I love the glassware. They're little shot glasses. They're so pretty. I can't wait to have a house so I can deck out things like this because I think it's literally so cute. Oh, I love the cane detail on this. £225. Whenever I come to antique places, I remember why I charity shop. Got buttons. Spider-Man hat. I thought that was fun. Some cute furniture, glassware, beads. The flash on so you can see these like holographic orange bowls. They're so fun. They're £15 that bowl, but look at that. There's nothing I needed to buy, but I remembered I actually am kind of looking for stuff. I've got my dad for Secret Santa. I'll put a warning before this to remind me not to actually upload that without a warning. Otherwise my sister will know who I have. But they've got toilets, which is good. Anyway, I'm looking for a present for my friends, present for dad. And the guy said that if I go to the cath, ask the key for the toilet, they should give it to me, which is good. So I ended up having lunch there in that cafe. I felt bad just kind of going to the loo. So I had a nice big get. I filmed a clip of the milkshake after I started drinking it because in classic Amy style I've got to take a picture. I'm really full now. I didn't quite finish it actually. I'm really full. I went out for lunch yesterday. I sometimes feel like I stay full for a really long time, like a couple of days. Anyway, I am going to go to Hadley now, even though it's raining. And I'm not got a hood because I'm unprepared. But nonetheless, I still shall charity shop. My mum's working with lots of children at home today and my dad's working from home, so it's a bit of a crazy day, so I thought best to get out. So yes, let's go to Hadley. So I arrived in Hadley. I think it comes with a Benfleet. Maybe it is Benfleet. I honestly don't even know anymore. I'm lost in charity shops, but I know where I am. I'm in the Morrisons. Free car park, amazing. There's a Havens here. There's another one which I can't remember what it is. It's like a tiny little charity shop. And then there's a South End Hospital charity shop, which I've been in it once. I ended up standing and talking to the woman for a good 2 hours last time I was here, so I'm prepared. I'm going to spend a long time here. Although I went for a wee in the cafe, I'm going to go for a wee in Morrisons before I start shopping, because I hate when you get halfway through a shop and then you need a wee. So what I prep, go for a wee, then I will start shopping. I think I'm going to do Havens first. Although I think the other one might be on the way, so we'll go to that one maybe first. I don't know. Let's go into the shops. I'm going to stop rambling and get out of this car because it's really hot and my B-reel's just gone off. So looks like I'm going to do my B-reel, then go. Show you what I'm wearing while I am walking. So I'm wearing a blue shirt from Havens, my British Heart Foundation bag. I'm wearing some Adidas trackies from Wonders of Vintage. Let me show you. Oh, earrings are Oxfam. I'm wearing my watch and my Cloud 18 bracelet. I'll show you my shoes. And my shoes are Nike and from Scope. Okay, it's a Salvation Army charity shop. Oh, I like the window. Very cute. Let's go in. There was some cute bits now. I was really tempted by that set of hair clips, but I just know I won't really wear them. We're now at Havens. Actually, I'm filming this really early, and I did some content for Havens that went out today. So in the spirit, I've come to Havens. Looking at that window, there always have a really pretty window in this one. Looks like they're growing all flowers this week. That dress is really pretty. I like that dress. It's very nice. Havens had some amazing bric-a-brac, really pretty homeware. Again, as I say in like all my videos, I just can't wait to have a house to furnish it with funky, unique charity shop finds. I'm just going over to the Southend Hospital charity shop now. I'm not going to get hit by a car. And last time I got one of my favourite bags and favourite tops from in here. A little bit pricier than kind of your Havens, but still really good. So let's go back there and see what they have today. If you're ever looking for the Southend Hospital charity shop, you come down the road by the Morrisons, walk straight down as if you're walking to the Lidl. If you put in like the Lidl on the map, so that'll probably be the best way. And there's like a little parade of shops right next to it. It's by Domino's, so if you're ever looking for it, that's where it is. So it's in this parade of shops for reference. There's one right down the end, and that's where we're going. I've had some really good luck in this charity shop, instead of only been once. So let's see what they got. They got a lot of stuff outside today. Little autumn window going on, and some scarves, some underwear as well, if you ever need any of that, and some furniture bits outside, which is quite rare to find now. That's really fun. Little Iron Man poster, Hogwarts, little pin board, some kids bits, a high chair, and then some more brick in the window. I had a little look in that shop. Again, didn't get anything. I've been really good. I've not bought anything today. I'm gonna walk back to the car now and then go home, I think. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, but thank you for coming along to the charity shops with me. It's always nice to have some company. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.